Pareho man tayo, kaya mga taga-UP. Ako, o kami mga taga-San Beda, ako, personally, I believe in retribution. Na kung nagkasala ka, just like the Bible, an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth, you have to pay. Dito, sa criminal law, there is the retribution theory and there is the positivist theory. This new kind of how would you call it? Crime and punishment. I forgot to. Basta yan, basahin ninyo. Maganda yan. Dito na ma-rehabilitate ba yung tao, that man can still be useful and return to the mainstream of society if given this necessary. Kaya yung Amerika, release ng mga serial rapists,